Hey, welcome. Today, we are diving deep into a massive change in how we all find information online. Seriously, this is rewriting the rulebook for pretty much everyone on the internet.
So let me ask you something. Think about the last time you searched for something. Did you get that classic list of 10 blue links? Or did you see something else? Yeah, that page we've known for decades. It's basically becoming a museum piece. Because in its place, we're getting something totally different. We're getting direct, AI-generated answers served up right at the top of the page. The info just appears, which is super convenient, for sure. But it creates a huge new challenge for anyone creating content. So let's really unpack what's happening here. What we are witnessing is, and I'm not exaggerating, the end of search as we've known it for 20 plus years. This is not just another little algorithm update. It's a whole new ballgame. Welcome, my friends, to the era of AI search. You've got engines like Google's AI overviews, Perplexity, even ChatGPT acting like little research assistants for everyone. And this changes everything. The goal isn't to rank number one anymore. Nope. The new goal is to be cited by the AI in its answer. This massive shift means we need a brand new playbook. We're moving away from what we all know as SEO, or search engine optimization, to something totally new, GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. So what on earth is GEO? Well, think of it like this. It's the art and science of making your content so incredibly clear, trustworthy, and easy to find that these AI models don't just see it, they choose to use it, to quote it, and to represent your brand the right way. This comparison just hits the nail on the head. Traditional SEO? That was all about getting your book a good spot on the library shelf, right? You wanted to be at eye level. But GMO, that's about getting your actual words quoted directly in the encyclopedia itself. You're not just competing for a spot in a list, you're competing to be the answer. And this quote right here, it just says it all. The finish line has moved. It's not about just showing up anymore. It's about being woven into the very fabric of the knowledge that the AI gives to the world. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this is huge. How do I even start? Well, don't worry. It all comes down to a really clear framework. Let's walk through the 4 essential pillars that are your blueprint for success with GEO. Yep, it really just comes down to nailing these 4 key areas. And here they are: easy access, quality content, technical excellence, and trust signals. Sounds a bit corporate, I know, but let's break down what each of these actually means in plain English. First up, easy access. This is the absolute foundation. I mean, think about it. If the AI's little web crawlers can't even get in the door to read your stuff, then nothing else you do matters. It's just that simple. This is all about basic technical health. Fast loading pages, no broken links, easy to navigate. Number 2 is quality content. But here's the twist. Quality has a whole new definition. It's not just about great storytelling anymore. Your content has to be structured for a robot brain. It needs clear facts, data you can verify, and information that's super easy to pull out and summarize. You're basically building a library for the AI to learn from. The third pillar is technical excellence, which sounds complicated, but really it just means speaking the AI's language. And how do we do that? With something called schema, or structured data. Think of schema like little digital price tags you put on your content that tell the AI exactly what it's looking at. Hey, this is the author. This is a review. This is the product's price. It removes all the guesswork for the machine. And finally, our 4th pillar, trust signals. This one is super intuitive. Just like you wouldn't trust advice from a random stranger, an AI needs to know it can trust a source before it starts quoting it. So this is all about showing your work, demonstrating expertise, having clear authors, and making sure your brand looks legit all across the web. Now, here's where it gets a little weird. As you start to master these 4 pillars, you might notice a strange paradox. Your brand is showing up everywhere in AI answers, your influence is growing, but your website traffic might actually be going down. And this leads us to a brand new critical concept. Yeah, we're talking about the AI dark funnel. It's this place where your brand delivers incredible value, but it all happens before anyone ever clicks through to your website. This slide explains it perfectly. The user asks a question, the AI uses your awesome content to give them the answer, and that's it. Journey over. They got what they needed, so they have no reason to click. Your brand gets the exposure, but your Google Analytics shows nothing. The old way of measuring success is breaking. So we need new stats for a new game, right?
Instead of just obsessing over website visits, we need to start tracking things like our inclusion rate. How often are we even showing up in these AI answers? What's our citation frequency? And maybe most importantly, is the AI actually getting our story right? We're measuring influence now, not just clicks.
Okay, I know that was a lot to take in. A dark funnel, new metrics. It can feel a little overwhelming. But getting started is actually way more straightforward than it sounds. Let's just walk through a simple step-by-step plan to get you going. Here you go, a simple 4-step plan. First, just do a quick health check of your site against those 4 pillars we talked about. Second, start shifting your content strategy to be more AI-friendly. Third, please make schema a top priority. And finally, just start paying attention. Go look for your brand in AI results on Google, Perplexity, wherever. See what they're saying about you. And as you get started, just keep these 3 things top of mind. 1, great content is still the most important thing. GEO makes good content better. It can't save bad content. 2, schema isn't optional anymore. It's the language you have to speak. And 3, this isn't some trend that's coming in the future. It's happening right now. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. We'll leave you with this final big question. As we move from a world where we picked our own sources to a world where an AI curates the answer for us, the stakes for being an accurate, trusted part of that answer have never, ever been higher. The race to become the source of truth is officially on.